Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Jaguar XE.
The Jaguar XE is built to exceed all expectations of a compact luxury sports sedan. The XE combines technology and performance that meet the high level of excellence you come to expect from Jaguar. Its sleek exterior is sure to turn some heads.
This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, rear wheel drive, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.